Step 1. Open the box, remove all components, and arrange them neatly. Step 2. Following the video, remove the screws from the front bumper. Take the front fog light and secure it to the bumper using the original vehicle screws. Step 3. As shown in the video, partially remove the original inner fender liner. Step 4. As shown in the video, disconnect the original vehicle wiring harness and connect it to one end of the provided wiring harness. Plug the other end back into the original vehicle connector location. Finally, connect the smaller end of the provided harness to the fog light wiring harness. Neatly organize the wiring harness and secure it with zip ties. Then reinstall the inner fender liner. Repeat the same steps to install the opposite fog light.